Last, we'll take the camel to wheel. Camel to wheel, we need big back body strengthening, right? So we're taking the back of our ribs, shoving it up toward the ceiling. Glutes are engaging, pressing the hips forward. I start with my hands in my heart center. I keep the hips pressing forward. I'm taking the back of my ribs, pressing my heart up. And as I go back, when I see the mat, I extend the arms. When the arms are about to hit, it's a big press into my hands, and I lift up. And then to come back, I walk my hands towards my heels, knees come down, hips forward, hips forward, hips forward. But it's a lot more leg than you think. I like to kind of describe it as you're in that gym, right? You're feeling strong. You got 400 pounds on the leg press. Knees are in the chest. And to get that 400 pounds, you have to press with all your might to get the leg straight. Same thing for camel to wheel, right? Where people go wrong is when they don't tuck their toes. Toes have to be tucked. If they're not tucked, you can't get any press, any leverage. 2, they wait too long to press the legs. And then 3, they don't press enough. They don't know how hard of a push they actually got to do with their legs. It's a lot of quad. So I'm here, hips forward, back of my ribs pressing up, heart forward, heart up, extend the arms, and then it's a press into your legs as much as you can, and then walk the hands back, knees down, hips forward, hips forward, hips forward. Sit back, hero's pose.